This video is for you out there who create content using a smartphone. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker, and today we're going to talk about the difference between using the inbuilt camera settings and also using a third-party app. When you say third-party app, what do we mean? There are apps that you install on your smartphone that give you the chance to take pictures and videos with your smartphone camera. For those of you out there who are using an Android phone, you may be privileged to change certain settings of your smartphone camera settings, and you can use it to get a good shot. But for the iOS users out there, you may not be lucky because Apple don't give the chance for you to have a full control over your camera settings. It always comes with the automatic settings. So what are the differences using a third-party app and also the inbuilt camera settings? Number one, using a third-party app, you have the chance to change your ISO, your shutter speed, and also your white balance. You are able to shoot cinematic. You are able to create a certain scene using a third-party app. As a pro filmmaker, as a pro content creator, using your smartphone, it is always advisable to use a third-party app. You must have the chance to control your camera settings. So some of the third-party app are the Filmic Pro, the Halid, the ProTake, the Pro Movie. There are a whole lot. But in my next tutorial, we talk about my best camera app that I use in creating content that gives me the chance to do all the settings that I want to have that DSLR film look using my smartphone. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that when that tutorial too is out, you have the chance to also watch and choose from it. Thank you. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker, and see you on the other side.